Okay, I got the bee brush. Go. Okay. I think I left your car door open, but whatever.
It's totally fine, because there's bees in it.
Okay. Watch this. They're completely gone.
No, not at all. I shot them. Load those little puppies up with sugar water. They're so busy eating and trying to unstick each other. I don't know what to do. All right, baby, here we go.
Holy cow.
Yeah.
It's a lot of bees. Oh boy. That's a ton. You doing good, Dad?
Yeah, we're doing fine.
You think you got the queen in there?
I hope so. Pretty sure I do. Oh boy. Oh boy. It doesn't look good to me.
I made a friend. There's tons and tons of bees.
Wow, look at them all. Look at
Can I get closer? Can I?
They're pretty docile. They're pretty docile.
Actually, they're kind of cute. Hey, babies.
Just hope the hell I got the queen in there.
Yeah.
I'm gonna kill her in the meantime. I'm gonna tell you what, I'm just gonna move that like that, like that. Okay, alright, boys and girls. Sorry,
You good?
stung my finger.
Dang.
Yeah, I hate when that happens.
Oof.
Yeah. I hate when my finger shoots. That sucks. Yeah, I scream like a girl. I hate getting stung.
It's fine.
Alright, where's my sugar gun? Where's my sugar gun?
It's right here, Dad.
Oh, thanks, good. Okay.
So, Dad, there's a lot of bees in the front.
Yeah?
A ton.
Yeah?
Is there any way you can scoop them in?
Well, they'll go where the queen is, baby.
Do you think you got the queen?
I hope so. The fact that nobody's leaving is a good thing. We'll see. I really don't know.
There's tons of bees.
Alright. How you doing, girl? You doing alright?
I'm fine. I haven't been stung once.
Yeah, good for you.
Knock on wood.
Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna stand here for a few minutes. And we're
Just
gonna
gonna
watch.
wait. Do you want me to film it?
Yeah. We'll stay here for a
Okay.
few minutes. So here's what just happened. So you got some bees that took a car ride, and I shot them with sugar water.
You want to talk to the camera?
Yeah, I shot them with sugar water to keep them so thinking about eating and getting sugar water off their wings that that's all they can think about. So the one that got lucky and stung me My gloves are of a
Kinda
thin
bad.
material. Well, this is of a thin material, so if anybody gets stung, it's going to be right in here. And it happens every now and again. Not the end of the world. I just hate getting stung, though.
It sucks.
It sucks.
Who enjoys it, honestly?
Nobody likes it. And I scream like a girl.
And you did it on camera, which
Yeah, I
makes
know,
it just
right?
kind of better, you know?
So what we're watching for is bee behavior. So right now, these bees are
Look like they're
totally-
exploring.
Yeah, they're totally disoriented. They have no idea where they are, what's going on, and I hope the queen is inside the box, because if she's inside the box, then these bees will pick up her scent and just go on inside. In fact, you know what? I got the hive entrance here.
Mm-hmm.
Let's get this out of the way here. 'Cause I got it kind of neck down, and I don't think I want to do that right away. Because I want them to smell her and get in the hive. Walk on in, girls. You smell that queen? Get in there. So let's give them a few minutes of queen smelling, unfettered. And let's see if they walk in that hive.
Looks like they are.
Watch them. Here, get out of the sun, babe. There you go. Now you can really see them. Watch them. Watch them march in. How you doing, Sarah?
Good. How about you?
I'm good. Hold still. Hold still. Oh, never mind. Watch. I roar. Let's see.
It looks like they're going in. Very slowly.
Well, I will say their heads are headed in that direction. I'll give them that.
Definitely.
But I don't see a whole lot of people moving, and I wonder if it's because I froze them in place with all that sugar water. I mean, this guy's flying around, give him that.
Looks like they just got madder.
Oh, yeah, they're a little madder. Are they trying to attack your face? 'Cause
No.
They'll go. But
No,
Yeah.
they haven't really done that.
Nah, they're fine. They're just smelling you.
I mean, there was one that went on my face and I took a video of it. Like, I made a friend, but
Yeah. Oh, look. Yeah, I can see him heading in.
mm-hmm.
See in the upper right-hand corner?
Yeah, I told him. I see him.
Yeah, they're starting slowly but surely. See, look at these guys hanging out over here. See, they're so confused. They're like, okay, wait. Okay,
Is this the hive?
let me just sit here for a second. And look at the equipment over here I've got. See, look. Again, same thing. There's like, okay, wait. This is not where I was just at. I was in a dark car. Because bees...
Oh, now it's attacking me.
Oh, it is? Did it sting the camera?
No.
Oh. I've had them sting the camera.
Try to sting the camera at least.
Oh yeah. Like I used to have a rubber housing around that cell phone, and sometimes when I'd be tending the bees, I'd have like 4 or 5 stingers in that rubber.
Dad, you still
housing.
do have the rubber housing on this.
Well, it's more plasticky than rubber.
Oh, well.
Come on, little girls, go in there.
I don't think they go in that fast.
Mr. Ed's videos.
They do?
No, he speeds them up.
Mm.
I think he makes it like 4 times or 8 times speed, and
Look,
they
in the
have
top
it
right corner, you can totally see him going
yeah,
in.
They're in. They're good. So yeah, by sundown tonight, they'll all be in there. Well, thanks for your help.
Mm-hmm. You're gonna stop recording now?
Oh,
Or you want to keep me recording?
yeah, just keep recording.
Okay.
This is our first transplant.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, we bought bees, but this is the first one we've ever had like a
wild
like
one.
a wild swarm, and that's good. This is one of my favorite parts, is that just being around the bees and just, being part of them, and not getting in their way and letting them work, and they're just buzzing around doing their thing. They're so focused on what they're doing, they just ignore me. So I love this part.
You think they're in there?